So what is BMI? BMI is just a formula. It's nothing magical. It's a calculation of the weight over height squared, and you come up with this number.
So just to go through it with you all, obviously unprocessed foods are things that are as close to nature as possible. So the apple that you take from the tree, it can be the potato that you take from the ground.
From the age of 25 to the age of 65, you're already losing muscle mass, right? So we have to do a lot of things to make sure that we don't see that loss of muscle mass.
When I see kids who are struggling with their weight and having complications such as elevated liver enzymes, breathing problems, multiple different complications from their weight, they're not as free as they could be.
When you fight sleep, you will lose 100% of the time. Your day-to-day functioning is compromised for one thing, but you also lose with long-term diseases associated with insufficient sleep or sleep disorders.
Let's talk about the neuroscience behind obesity. So the brain plays a larger role in weight gain and weight loss than I feel in general people give it credit to. And this is just kind of everybody. It was me too.
Fast food is everywhere in American society. It's available all the time, 24/7, and it's usually a lot cheaper than healthier options.
So now I'm going to dig a little bit more into teaching kitchens and culinary medicine. So what are the benefits and the purposes of these interventions?
Genomics has been now available for a long time, and more we have it available even for patients without the prescription of doctors. And you will see that in the market, we have many companies using this.
So there are a lot of new technologies and care settings that have become part of obesity care. We have telehealth. Many online programs offer weight loss services. There are many that provide obesity care specifically.
So again, we're thinking about obesity as a chronic disease, and we need to think of it as the same way we would with diabetes or cholesterol or depression, where patients are likely going to need these medications long term. Just because the symptom went away doesn't mean the treatment that we were using should go away.
So what's membership? So membership model is, for example, I open up a panel, say I'll accept 100 patients, and I tell each patient that you will be paying me $200 a month